Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Today I want to talk to you about the destructive nature of a brand new HVAC system on your crawl space. Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to indoor air quality, condensation, and dehumidification. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, check out our DIY store and our franchise opportunity. Okay, so what spurred this video was Tyler from Bowling Green, Kentucky. He sent us some pictures of his crawl space, and I'll put some images up as we go along in the video. And basically what a lot of people don't realize is that when you have a vented crawl space where Mother Nature is in control of the humidity, it tends to cause a lot of condensation. Well, that's just normal. If you add a new heating and air system, remember these HVAC systems are extremely powerful. They are designed to run very cold air, very short amount of time, to turn off as quickly as possible in order to save you energy. So whenever you have a ductwork, for example, that used to have air blowing through it, that was in the low 40s, and now it's blowing air in the high 30s, that makes a huge difference on the amount of condensation that can happen from this ductwork, especially if you go, your house was built in the 70s or 80s and you've got the same HVAC system that came with it back when it was built, and then you're putting in one of these brand new energy efficient HVAC units. This duct, for example, is wrapped with an R8 duct insulation. Most of the older homes only had an R6. Okay, so this is a metal duct. It's a trunk line that feeds to a flex duct. Well, even inside the flexible duct, you have wire inside that ductwork. And remember, condensation is just whenever hot and cold meet and it causes moisture, all right? So if this ductwork is, 50, 60 degrees, right? And that hot, humid air is rolling in from the outside in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and that hot, humid air hits this cold ductwork, it is going to explode with moisture, and water is going to get trapped inside of this insulation. This is an insulation protector that's on here that's going to trap moisture between it and the metal duct, and you'll start to see that metal duct rusting. It'll start to become leaking with air even worse than when it was primarily installed. So if you are thinking about installing a new HVAC system, talk to your HVAC contractor about also putting in a dehumidifier. If they will seal up the vents, put in that one active ventilation system that we talk about recommended by the EPA, and put that dehumidifier in, it will control that dew point, so that way that hot, humid air can't come into the crawl space. And even if it does, the dew point is where the condensation won't happen on the ducts and cause a huge moisture problem in the future. Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, we hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.